My name's Ross Parker, completing the week 2 assignment for Promineo Tech. We'll go ahead and jump right in it. What we were supposed to do this week, we were supposed to add some styles to our HTML file that we had completed last week using class ID and elements. So basically, we're just supposed to dress up the website a little. So we'll go ahead and start with the home. And I did this here with the home, contact, and about page. What I did is I added the link rail style sheet and the href to the style CSS. And what this is going to do, this is going to pull everything from my style.css and implement it on my HTML files. So here what we did is we created a header class for our home. Here we're just creating pages. We do this on every one of our HTML files, so that way you can navigate in between pages. Here we're just adding a custom image with the size, and same thing here. We're just adding another image with a custom size. Down here at the bottom, we have a header. Then we have some contact information in with the header. So we'll go to the About page. Uh, Same thing, link with the rel style sheet. Here we're creating a class with a header. And the elements are pretty much your headers, your paragraphs, and all that. So we'll get to that once I get to the style CSS. Here we're creating an ID called my header and why choose Pro Finish Renovations, followed by the paragraph. And we are adding another image. You come down to contact, same thing, link rel, which is going to pull all the information from style CSS. We have another H1 header with the class. We are creating all of our pages. Here we just have a header. And then here we are adding another image, followed by our label and push button format. This is where they will be able to type in their information, name, last name, email, and contact us that way. And then here we are creating our buttons. What we did is we created button links for our Twitter, LinkedIn, and email, so that way they can contact us via email. So what we're going to do is we'll start with the style CSS. What we did is we have our body, the background color, a custom color. It's a gray. All of our headers are pretty much the same thing. Same color, same font. We went with the cursive writing. The only thing that's really different on them are the sizing. We have 120, 140, 120, and 145% to give it a little different sizing. Our paragraph is black in color. The font is cursive with 115 as a sizing. Here, what we're doing is we're aligning everything center. And we're pulling that from our style CSS to our HTML files by using the link rel. And then down here, our images are aligned center. Our labels are in cursive, font size of 120 with aligning them center as well. The same thing that goes with the buttons. As far as the cursive, the 120%, and then aligning it center. So let's go onto the website and see what we have here. We'll go to the home page. As you can see, everything's pulling from the style CSS, our cursive, our background color, and our images are center. About same thing, everything's pulling from our style CSS. We have all our cursive, our pictures are center. And then contact us today. There's our header in the cursive as we want it. And here's our label and then our buttons down here. So if you wanted to contact us, you would just put in your information and contact at gmail.com. And then you would submit the form and we would get an email to our email that we have linked into here. And then there's also other ways to contact us through Twitter, LinkedIn, and our email. So I believe I've covered everything as required. As far as the class ID and elements, we have incorporated our style CSS through the link rel style sheet and made some changes to the website by pulling everything from our CSS with no inlines.